Hello, people of America. I'm so glad you made the choice to come to my Canvas today and do the work you're supposed to do and check in. I'm so happy you made the right choice. If you notice, I changed the picture on my Canvas because we kind of changed the theme of what we're doing in class today. We're beginning a project called Investigate a City. I'm going to go over all of the details for that project tomorrow in depth, and there will be a screencast for you to view of me going over those instructions as well. So I hope this helps. If you're at home, you are free to email me at any time. If you're in school, please come and ask me a question if you have them. So today's agenda, everybody is going to start by watching Travel the World in One Backpack. It is a 1 minute and 40-second video that I'd like you to watch that kind of helps us understand what we'll be doing. I'm going to be asking you to make some decisions about traveling in the world, and this quick video kind of helps us think about how we'll be doing it. The second thing you need to do is make a copy of My Dream Vacation. It's going to come up and force you to make a copy. This is what it looks like. I would like you to read these directions very carefully, but I will read them to you now. Today, you will look into cities around the world to go and visit and enjoy. Are you a beachgoer? Do you like food? Do you crave adventure? Do you like historical and cultural sites? The choices are endless. Below are 2 links to check out different cities around the world. Today's about exploring. We want to go international. We are ballers, so we can travel outside the United States. Your job is to come up with 3 cities to travel to on this amazing vacation of a lifetime. So, my first stop that I would go is Munich. Oh, no, wait, this is the wrong sheet. Sorry, people of America. Let me go to the right one. So the first place I would go, and this is an example linked right here. So the first place I would go on my vacation is Munich, Germany. The top 3 reasons I would go there would be their culture. I love the clothing. I love the festivals. I love the way that people interact with one another. I would also want to see a soccer match when I'm in there. I've read a lot about this team, so seeing them live would be like a super cool thing to do. The food is schnitzel, pretzels, and beer gardens. Even though I don't drink alcohol, I would still enjoy going to a beer garden because it's an amazing display of German culture. When I was doing the research, I saw that it was these really long picnic tables that literally 30 or 40 people would sit at, and you don't know anybody. And you just kind of meet and talk to and experience the culture with the people around you. So what I'm expecting you to do, and this example is kind of showing you the expectation of the level of detail I want for your response. So I should see proper nouns. I should see examples of things you would see in each city. Now, you're going to ask, Mr. O'Neill, how do I find all these international cities? I am giving you 2 websites right here. Let's look at the top 100 worldwide cities. So this is already taking you international. So this isn't going to show you any place in the United States because you're not allowed to choose a city there. So look, it's in alphabetical order, but you can scroll down and pick from these 100 cities around the world to go to. And when you click on it, it's going to take you to a place with all of these just facts and pictures and information. And this is where you're going to pick the information to put on your dream vacation sheet. So if you have questions, I'm going to ask you to email them to me if you're at home. If you're in class, I'll be able to come to you or you can come to my desk. I wish y'all luck. Please, please, please do a great job today. You are not going to turn this activity in, but I'm going to ask you to pull it up tomorrow, and you 100% need this for class tomorrow. Very good. Have a great day. I can't wait to see y'all, and make smart choices.